Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a GMC Acadia key fob. First, gather all key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You will also need to locate the Driver Information Center, or DIC, buttons on your dashboard, typically near the steering wheel. These buttons allow you to navigate through vehicle settings and initiate the programming sequence. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the Vehicle Information button to scroll through the display until you see the message "Press to relearn remote key." Once this message appears, press the Set or Reset button. Your Driver Information Center should then display Remote Key Learning active, indicating your vehicle is ready for programming. Now take your first key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote for approximately 15 seconds. You will hear an acoustic signal, or chime, indicating that the remote has been successfully programmed to your vehicle. If you have more key fobs to program, simply repeat this exact step for each additional remote. Your vehicle can typically store up to 8 remotes. To exit the programming mode, simply turn your ignition key to the off position and remove it from the ignition. It is crucial to test all your programmed key fobs to confirm they operate correctly, including locking, unlocking, and any other functions. Please note that some newer vehicle models might require specialized diagnostic equipment for programming, so this method may not apply to all Acadia vehicles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.